Hey guys, so today we're doing some foam rolling. So technical term I would say would be myofascial release. So it's like a little trick on the brain, telling the brain to release these muscles and let them relax. So when foam rolling, I want you guys to take these movements very slow. It is a little painful, so it's something you want to get used to. So maybe start with a little bit softer of a foam roller and work your way up to something a little dense. Search out those pain spots. They are unbearable sometimes, but try to hang in there. Take it very slow. Going fast when foam rolling doesn't do very much for the body. Take it slow, let the brain and nervous system kind of accept these movements through. And what I really like to do with these movements as well is as time goes on, if I find a really tight spot, I like to spend time, extra time on that particular portion. Take your leg, whatever body part you're going through, take it through some range of motion. Try to help expand and contract those muscles while doing the foam rolling and see if that doesn't help your experience in the foam roller. We appreciate you guys watching. Thank you very much. If you have any questions on foam roller, please ask staff at the front. We're more than willing to help you out with any questions you might have on this topic.